Stop wrestling with tangled, messy hoses and finally give your backyard the upgrade it deserves with this heavy-duty Metal Garden Hose Reel Deck Box. If you're tired of tripping over your hose or having it bake in the sun all day, this is the clean, organized, and professional solution that makes yard work feel like less of a chore. It is built to be a total workhorse, featuring a durable steel cabinet that tucks away up to 150 feet of 5/8-inch hose, keeping your patio looking pristine while protecting your gear from the elements. What really makes this a must-have for any homeowner is how smooth and easy it is to use. The manual rewind system is buttery smooth, meaning you can pull out exactly what you need and crank it back in seconds without any fighting or kinking. Plus, the no-leak aluminum water connections are a huge win. They're designed to handle high water pressure without those annoying drips and puddles that usually turn your storage area into a muddy mess. It is simple, rugged, and it just works exactly the way you want it to. Beyond the functionality, this box actually doubles as a sleek, sturdy storage cabinet that fits perfectly into any deck or garden setup. You aren't just getting a hose reel. You're getting a piece of equipment designed to last through years of harsh weather, constant use, and the daily grind of keeping your yard looking sharp. If you're ready to finally reclaim your space, stop fighting with your hose, and make your outdoor cleanup routine faster and cleaner than ever, click the link below for the best price.